Hi there. On Lollms, there is a binding called Groq. Groq allows you to do free text generation using several interesting models, namely Gemma from Google, Llama 3 and Mixtral from Mistral AI. Let's use our beloved mixture of agent persona to try and see how we can enhance the overall quality of the model answer. Okay, let's bring up mixture of agents with Groq models and give them a simple riddle. In Lollms, since Groq is already implemented as well as mixture of agents, all we need to do is use both. First, select the Groq binding and select a first model. When you press the model icon, its Lollms path is copied and you can paste it into the list of models to be used in mixture of agents. We can do this multiple times to use different models. By the way, we can mix bindings and models as you wish, but in this video we'll just stick with Groq as it is a fast free solution for generation. Once we have set up the models to use, we need to select a master model that will do the final aggregation. Okay, now we're ready to challenge our mixture of agents with a brain teaser to solve. This classic riddle is often used by Matthew Berman in his tests, so I'll give credit where it's due. Solve this riddle. 3 killers are in a room. A man shows up and kills one of them. How many killers are in the room? As you can see, the AI brainstorming is starting. The process is done in n-depth levels. Here we just set it to 2, but we can use deeper thinking if we want. Since this riddle is not that complex, we can just stick with a depth of 2. As we can see, the final answer came pretty fast after 2 rounds of thinking. We can see that some models like Gemma did not perform correctly at the first depth, but just at depth 2 it has learned from the answers of the other models and corrected itself. Basically at depth 2, all models' answers were correct. The final answer is formatted in a way to be easy and clear. We can see that the model highlighted the answer in bold. The final answer to the riddle is that there are still 3 killers in the room. The reasoning behind this answer is that when the man shows up and kills one of the original 3 killers, he automatically becomes a killer himself. Therefore, the total number of killers in the room remains 3, the 2 original killers who are still alive, and the newcomer who has now joined their ranks as a killer. This riddle requires lateral thinking and challenges our initial assumption that the man who shows up is not a killer. By definition, if he kills, then he becomes a killer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now it is your turn to test mixture of agents to solve more challenging problems. Maybe try to solve the climate change, find solutions to bring social peace, stop wars in the world, or just find a solution to your own problems. Are you still here? Okay, here is an extra one for you. I am suffering from obesity. I need to find a solution to reduce my weight. I do like eating very much and I am all the time coding in front of my PC. I do forget to do sports and struggle to find the motivation. Help me through a complete plan to get me from my actual situation to a point where I have the right weight and I feel good about myself. Based on the responses from the various AI models, I have compiled a comprehensive plan to help Paris Neo achieve their weight loss goals and improve their overall well-being. Comprehensive plan for weight management and motivation. Phase 1, Understanding the Underlying Issues and Mindset Shift, Weeks 1 to 4. Consult a doctor, schedule an appointment to discuss your weight loss goals and any health concerns. Track your food intake, use a food diary or an app like MyFitnessPal to log your daily food consumption for 4 weeks. This will help you identify patterns and areas for improvement. Assess your coding routine, pay attention to your coding schedule and breaks. Identify opportunities to incorporate physical activity and healthy habits. Set realistic goals, define your ideal weight range based on your height, age, and body type. Set specific, achievable, and measurable goals, such as I want to lose 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week for the next 3 months. Phase 2, Nutrition and Meal Planning, Weeks 5 to 8. Create a meal plan, based on your food diary, plan healthy, balanced meals for the next 4 weeks. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Portion control, learn to measure and control your portion sizes to avoid overeating. Healthy snacking, choose nuts, fruits, or carrot sticks with hummus as healthy snack options while coding. Hydrate, drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Phase 3, Physical Activity and Exercise, Weeks 9 to 12. Start small, begin with short, 10 to 15 minute breaks every hour to stretch, walk, or do light exercises. Schedule workouts, allocate 30 minutes, 3 times a week, for moderate intensity exercises like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Find an exercise buddy, share your goals with a friend or family member and schedule workout sessions together for motivation. Progress to strength training, incorporate bodyweight exercises or resistance bands to build muscle and boost metabolism. Phase 4, Habit Formation and Motivation, after 12 weeks. Celebrate milestones, reward yourself for reaching small goals, like 5 kilograms weight loss or completing a certain number of workouts. Join a community, look for online forums, social media groups, or local weight loss support groups to stay motivated and accountable. Monitor progress, regularly track your weight, measurements, and progress photos to see the changes. Be kind to yourself, remember that setbacks are normal. Don't give up, instead, learn from your mistakes and move forward. Additional tips. Prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help regulate hunger hormones and support weight loss. Take breaks, make time for relaxation and stress-reducing activities, like meditation or yoga, to avoid burnout. Stay accountable, share your goals and progress with a friend or family member to maintain motivation. Seek professional help. If you struggle with severe obesity or underlying health conditions, consider consulting a doctor, nutritionist, or fitness professional for personalized guidance. Final reminders. Be patient and consistent. Sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Celebrate your progress, not just your final destination. Focus on progress, not perfection. Everyone's journey is different. Respect your pace and learn from your experiences. Enjoy the process, make healthy changes enjoyable through new recipes, exercises, and outdoor activities. By following this comprehensive plan, Paris Neo can achieve their weight loss goals and improve their overall well-being. Remember to stay committed, patient, and kind to yourself throughout your journey. Good luck! So, there you have it. I'll try to commit to doing this exactly as stated, and I'll track my evolution over time. While sleeping 7 to 8 hours is difficult, especially with all the time I need to build Lollms, I'll try to commit and do respect this. So, I may reduce the Lollms coding pace and look up at my own health to avoid becoming a moving blob. Well, I'll not at that level of fat, but I think I need to reduce my weight to feel better about myself. There you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, got to go sleep. See ya.